Hello everyone, and this is Thalia Alexiou sharing a little bit of wisdom. I was in a women's conference a couple of days ago, and it was absolutely phenomenal. These amazing women with phenomenal creativity and sharing the challenges to be where they are today. The crime, the loss of marriages, name it, because when your energy elevates, I want you to have that in your mind. A lot of things can happen if your friends are not elevating also, even though if you're not on the same level, um, they are going to leave you. You're just not going to have these friends anymore. They serve the purpose at the right time. I met creative women, women which they became ministers, and they have their own church and their own stations, it's amazing. I just love it. Young women also. Uh, and in those days which everybody is talking to manifest fast, 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 and it doesn't happen, and they disappointed, and they boosted their energy high and they got very low. You have to pave the way. It is like you want to plant a tree. You have to create the place in your garden, the soil, the fertilizing, and then to find what seeds you want to put. You want to put an apple. If you put an apple tree, then you're going to have apples. If you have a peaches, you're going to have peaches. So you have to have a clarity in your own creativity. What is this you want to manifest? Be clear. Okay, I want to make movies. Fine. Well, ask the universe like this. I do that all the time. Will show me the right lead. You have to ask for the right lead, because if you don't, then you can bombard it with all different information, and then you have to pick up just few people you like to watch their videos, or you like what they teaching, because it's a lot of confusion there. Everybody's telling you, oh yeah, if you read this or if you listen to this in a couple hours, you're going to be a millionaire. And now that's not true, because you didn't create the basics. You didn't do your clearing, you didn't do your forgiveness, you didn't do your healing, you didn't re-raise programs here, registrations. Then your electromagnetic field is going to boost there, and then you are a faster manifestator. So subscribe, listen to my videos to the end, and I want you to know I love you, and I want you to be amazing today and every day. Bye.